Welcome, explorers and history enthusiasts, to Discover Destination, your go-to YouTube channel for fascinating explorations around the globe. Our journey today takes us to the captivating realm of Norway, a land steeped in ancient history and blessed with breathtaking landscapes. We're about to delve into the rich tapestry of Norwegian history and reveal some of its most awe-inspiring locations. So buckle up, sit back, and prepare to be transported to the land of the Vikings, the fjords, and the northern lights, Norway. Norway's history begins in the mists of antiquity, with the arrival of the first humans more than 10,000 years ago. As glaciers receded, these brave pioneers journeyed north, drawn by the promise of untouched wilderness. They formed early tribes and communities, their lives intricately woven with the land and sea that sustained them. In time, their descendants would become renowned as the Vikings. With their long ships slicing through the icy waters, the Vikings emerged not just as fearsome warriors, but as explorers and traders, their influence reaching as far as the Mediterranean and North America. The sagas they left behind, stories of heroism and adventure, still echo in the fjords and forests of Norway. The Viking Age, a pivotal period in Norway's history, set the stage for the nation's evolution. From these ancient roots sprouted a resilient tree, the branches of which would extend to form modern Norway. Emerging from the Viking Age, Norway navigated through centuries of change, shaping its unique identity. The journey from a nation of seafaring warriors to a beacon of modern progress is a tale of resilience and adaptability. We begin our story in the 11th century, when Norway went through a significant transformation, the Christianization. This transition was not just about religion. It brought about a shift in cultural norms, laws, and societal structure, forever altering the fabric of Norwegian society. The following centuries saw Norway entering unions, first with Denmark in the late 14th century, and later with Sweden in the early 19th century. These unions, though marked by periods of conflict and tension, played an integral part in shaping Norway's political landscape. But it was the dissolution of the union with Sweden in the early 20th century that marked the dawn of a new era for Norway. This was a turning point. Norway was now an independent nation, free to chart its own course. And chart it did, with remarkable success. From being a predominantly agricultural society, Norway transitioned into an industrial nation, leveraging its natural resources to fuel its growth. In the span of a century, Norway has emerged as a prosperous nation with a high standard of living, a testament to its resilience and adaptability. The country's journey from Viking roots to a modern nation is indeed a story of transformation and growth. Norway's journey from Viking roots to a modern nation is a testament to its resilience and adaptability. Beyond its rich history, Norway enchants with its breathtaking landscapes. As if painted by an artist's hand, the fjords of Norway stretch out in a spectacular display of nature's prowess. These deep, narrow sea inlets, carved by glacial activity, are fringed by towering cliffs and snow-capped peaks, creating a scene of unparalleled majesty. But the spectacle doesn't end there. Imagine the skies above you, illuminated in a dance of colors. This is the Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, a celestial phenomenon that turns the Norwegian sky into a canvas of vibrant hues, a sight that continues to captivate and inspire. Now, let's journey to the city of Bergen. Nestled between 7 mountains, this charming city is known for its brightly colored wooden houses, a beautiful contrast to the natural stark landscapes surrounding it. It's a harmonious blend of urban life and nature, a testament to Norway's commitment to preserving its environment. Our final stop is the Lofoten Islands. These Arctic islands are a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, with their dramatic mountains, deep fjords, and surf-swept beaches. It's an untouched wilderness, offering a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Norway's captivating landscapes mirror its intriguing history, making it a true haven for explorers and history buffs alike. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe for more interesting videos. Our journey through Norway's history and beauty ends here. But the exploration doesn't have to. We've traveled from ancient times to modern Norway and witnessed the majesty of its landscapes. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to discover, so much more to experience. Let this be the start of your own journey. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this exploration, please subscribe to Discover Destination for more fascinating journeys around the globe.